When the feds come, the feds will separate the real from the fake. And what I mean by that is some of the homeboys, some of the friends, associates, business partners, different people you might be networking with on whatever you networking with them on. You gonna know if they real or not when the feds come, because the feds gonna shake the bag up, and you gonna be surprised who gonna tell something trying to save their family or save that relationship or keep them going in that cell for all them years. Somebody gonna tell, and the actions always speak louder than words because they leave a paper trail. And I'm gonna tell you something. This is just from my personal experience. I had an associate that I used to talk to back in the day. We used to network, who got picked up by the feds. No BS. And do you not know, before he did, I had already got a call saying, hey man, these folks looking at so and so, they didn't pick them up for this and this. I'm like, yeah, I'm not in that life, you know what I'm saying? So I'm like, man, I wish the best for them. A little afterwards, I get a call. Hey man, what's going on? Shoot, nothing, man. Doing what I'm doing, teaching, mobile welding, doing my thing, man, trying to build my independence, messing with these ship containers. Oh man, what's up with this? I said, bro, I don't even get down like that. And just for y'all know, family, I have a medical card. I smoke. That's what I do. That's my medication. You know what I mean? So I have a medical card. I'm like, man, I just smoke recreational. I said, but I'm not into that. Like, you know what I mean? I already did that. I done been there. I said, that ain't doing nothing for me. Oh yeah, man. Okay, we just talking. And I thought it was ironic. I'm like, now he'll call me, never saying nothing about him getting locked up, never saying anything about him getting caught up or nothing, but call me trying to figure out what I'm doing to help him make a move, make a play. I'm like, bro, I don't even get down like that. But I'm gonna tell you something though. That's them feds though. See what I'm saying? Somebody I thought that was 100 called me trying to get me on some bullshit. So all I'm saying is, family, be careful, be safe. And you can't trust anyone that's not in your immediate circle, man. So if you're trying to get your life together, man. Ain't nothing out in those streets but snitches. I'm letting you know this now. Coming from my mouth, there's nobody out there but snitches. Soon as they get caught up, they gonna tell it. There's only a few real ones, very, 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 very few, that'll do their time and come home. You know what I mean? It's only a few that stump down. And you won't know them until they get put in a situation. Then you're going to find out who's trying to save their own soul, their relationships, their marriages. Oh, I can't leave my kids right now. You weren't thinking about none of that when you was doing what you was doing. You see what I'm saying? All I'm saying is, family, don't be no fool. You out here kicking and hanging with guys that's doing what they do. That's what they do. Them your partners. I'm not knocking it. But don't get caught up in being in a situation where it's guilty by association. You see what I'm saying? Sometimes you got to remove and move and groove by yourself, man. Because people can be doing things that get you caught up in some drama. We trying to get our hog on. Family, I ain't with that BS. But you see how the devil is. Like he called me, trying to get me, hook me up. And come to find out, which I already knew, now the feds got him now. You see what I'm saying? But he never said anything like, oh man, I got a call. He just gonna call me on some BS. Watch yourself, family. It's wicked out here. It's scandalous out here. And it is the Fed season. Always right during the summer, right before the fall, they gonna come and mess up Christmas. I'm telling you. So be safe out there. And whatever you doing, family, you grown. It's your business. But if you're doing it, do it by yourself or don't do it at all. Hog on.